Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download OVO Energy application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download OVO Energy application on your iPhone, simply go ahead and open up your App Store. Into the search box, type in OVO Energy and you'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Tap the download button right next to the app in order to begin your downloading process. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to be downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. And there you'll be able to see that you've successfully downloaded the app. Tap on the open button to launch Open OVO Energy application, allow necessary permissions for the app and start using the app right from your mobile device. You'll now need to log into your OVO Energy account by entering your email or your ID and then your password and tap Login to access to your account. That is how you can easily download OVO Energy application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.